we have given quadrilateral, and we have to now find reflection in the y-axis of this quadrilateral. We know that reflection uses a line of reflection to create mirror image of original figure. In this example, our line of reflection is y-axis, and when we have to find reflection in the y-axis, then we have to multiply the x-coordinate by 1, negative 1. So if we have point xy to find reflection in the y-axis, we have to multiply x by negative 1, so it will be negative x, and y stay the same. So now let me first copy point K, has coordinates negative 2, negative 1, and we use only this formula. It means we have to multiply negative 2 by negative 1. We had negative sign before x. So negative we copy, and in parentheses we will put negative 2, and the y coordinates, this is our x, this is our y, stay the same, so we have negative 1. So negative and negative give me positive. So now we have point 2, negative 1. So next point is L, has coordinates 3, 0. So we use this formula. We have to put negative sign before x, and the y we copy, so it will be negative 3, 0. This is reflection in the y-axis. So this is point L. So now M has coordinates 4, 2 given. So we have to put negative sign before 4, and y we just copy. This is x, y. And point N has coordinates negative 1, 4, and we have to put negative sign before x. So this is our x, this is our y. Because we have negative x, so I will put this negative, and in parentheses we have negative 1, and 4 we just copy. So we have negative and negative is positive, and 4 stay the same. So now we have to find the reflection of every point of our quadrilateral K, L, M, N. Next we will connect these 4 points, and we will have reflection of this quadrilateral in the y-axis. So we have point K now is 2, negative 1. 1, 2, negative 1, so we go down. This is our point K prime now, and point L is negative 3, 0, so this is our L prime. Point M is negative 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 up approximately here. This is our point M prime now. And we have point N has coordinates 1, 4. 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our N prime. So now we have to connect these 4 points. K, L, K prime, L prime, L prime, M prime, and M prime and N prime, N prime and K prime. So we see that we found transformation of our quadrilateral in reflection in the y-axis. So this is my solution.